Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a delicious coconut panna cotta. This panna cotta is so tasty and super jiggly. Let's see how to do this. To make this coconut panna cotta, we need coconut milk. I'm making my own coconut milk. Take the flesh of one whole coconut, add it in a mixie, add about 1.5 cups of water and blend it well. Now strain this mixture and you'll get thick coconut milk. With the residue, add it back into the mixie, add a little more water and extract again. If you don't want to make your own coconut milk, of course you can use store-bought coconut milk. In total, we need 2 cups of coconut milk. To this, add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Let this sit for about 10 minutes and then add some sugar. I've added 1/3 cup of sugar. This is not very sweet, it's just mildly sweet. If you like it more sweet, you can add 1 tablespoon extra sugar. Heat this mixture lightly, keep the flame at medium and keep whisking. We don't need to boil this coconut milk, we just need to wait for the gelatin to dissolve completely. Once the gelatin dissolves, about 3 minutes later, remove it from flame and mix it well. Now strain this mixture so that our coconut panna cotta is nice and smooth. And then transfer this into your serving bowl. Refrigerate this for about 4 hours till the panna cotta sets well. So after 4 hours, this panna cotta has set well. To decorate, I added some pieces of coconut. You can decorate it with anything you want. So this is it. A delicious coconut panna cotta is ready. You can either serve it in the bowl itself or you can unmold and then serve. This is a perfect panna cotta, a super jiggly one. Mildly sweet, very tasty panna cotta. This is a dairy-free coconut panna cotta. If you want to add some cream, you can use 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of cream. You can also unmold this panna cotta and serve. If you use a cute little mold, it will look really pretty. Do try out this super tasty and delicious coconut panna cotta. I'm sure your guests will enjoy it. Until next time, bye bye.